Hello guys, in this video let's make this 3D model in Catia software. So let's make this. So let me go into software, start, mechanical design, part design, click on OK. Now choose the front plane, position sketch, front plane, click on OK. First thing is let's make this sphere of radius 54, which is a halo. So for making that, take a quarter circle, specify center point, specify first point, specify second point like this, and give the dimension as 54. Now take another quarter circle also like this. Give the radius as given as 46. Click on dimension constraint, select the arc, specify its radius as 46. Now close the profile with a line command. So see here, I am closing like this. Now trim the areas that you don't zoom it. There is an unnecessary portion related to that also. Now exit. There is a revolve tool and specify this line as a revolution exit. Click on OK. Base part is completed. Now come to this base, which has a diameter of 125. So click on the position sketch, select this plane, click on OK. Now specify the circle, full circle. Diameter is 125. 125 enter. Now two circles are here, two arcs are here. So arc radius is 30. Select the circle again, specify like this. So what is this? These are not in the same circle. So the circles only, specify center point somewhere else like this. Two circles you need. Make sure they are not in any relation. So now this center point and this center point should symmetry about this line. The distance between these two will be 94. It is given in the drawing. I'll show you. So see, the center point to this point center point, it is given as 90. That's what it is. In this diameter, this diameter, what it is? So radius is 31. That means diameter 62. Diameter 62. Enter. Now click on the trim tool. Delete the lines that you don't need. You don't need this also. Trim. Double click on the command to keep it active. Delete the lines that you don't need. Now one more thing is, if you extrude it, this will cover this bottom part also. For that, what I'm doing is I'm selecting the edge of this one. So the extrusion will be in this boundary only, right? So now click on the exit, use the pad of reverse direction up to 7. Click on OK, enter, and that's it. The wasting is also completed. Now coming to this extrusions of diameter 44. So at a distance, height, what it is 63. Click on the, you need to create a plane for that. So at a distance of 63, right? Click on the position stage, select this plane, and click on OK. Now take a two circles like this. Now take the dimension constraints, specify the diameters and the distance between these two. Before that, these should be symmetry about this line, and use the distance between these two, which is 94. Right. Now the diameter is 44. 44. Click on exit and pad it to add the material, and here choose the condition up to next one. Click on preview, click on OK. hide the planes that you don't need. Now, so you need to make the remove the material from here. So for that, choose the make a sketch first. Click on OK. So select the two circles. Draw two circles like this here. Click on the dimension constraint. Make sure these are in concentric relation. The diameter will be 30. Concentricity relation, diameter is 30. Click on exit and use the pocket to remove the material. And here choose a condition that is up to last. Click on OK. Now the final step is adding the fillets. So we have fillets right from here, 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 which are all are 3. Click on OK. That's it, guys. That is for this video. If you find anything helpful in this video or any suggestions that you have, please let me know in the comment section.